Here's a recipe for an easy weeknight palak paneer. Full recipe at heynotbad.com. To get started, heat up a pan over medium-high heat, add in some ghee, then we're going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds. We're going to add in the diced onion and the jalapeno and fry that for 4 to 6 minutes till the onions are soft and maybe even have a little bit of brownness along the edges of the onion. Then we're going to add in the minced garlic and the ginger paste. Then we're going to add in the powdered spices, and we're going to fry that up for 1 to 2 minutes. I also have a quarter of a can of pureed or crushed tomatoes, both of them work just fine, and stir that up. Then add in the frozen spinach and a little bit of water. I would say probably about a quarter to a half of a cup of water. And then lower the heat to medium-low. Cover that up and cook it for 15 minutes. Use an immersion blender carefully, an immersion blender that's designed to be used with hot liquids, to just sort of blend it up and get a smoother consistency to the spinach. Then we're going to add in our paneer, and we're going to cook that for 3 to 5 minutes, and then finish with some cream. And there we have it, a beautiful weeknight palak paneer. Hey, not bad.